Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cooking torch is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own, allowing you to achieve perfectly caramelized crème brûlée, add a smoky char to your favorite vegetables, or even create impressive cocktails with a flambé finish. Today, we will look into the best cooking torches available on the market and help you pick the one that best suits your needs and budget, based on factors such as flame adjustability, ease of use, safety features, and overall durability. Number 5. Sondiko Butane Torch S400. It features a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition and a wide base for stability. The angled nozzle and finger guard keep your hands safely away from the flame. Refill it easily with any butane brand, butane not included. Simply slide the lock and light it with the piezo ignition. It's portable and perfect for various uses. It's ideal for crème brûlée, searing steaks, and even toasting marshmallows. But it's also great for lighting fireplaces, candles, or for arts and crafts. It boasts an adjustable flame temperature up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. The continuous flame mode makes baking and cooking easier. You can even use it upside down. It fits all butane tanks. A red adapter is included for use with short nozzle tanks, ensuring compatibility with any brand. What we like? It features a safety lock to prevent accidents and an adjustable flame for precise control. Because it fits all butane tanks, you'll never be caught without fuel. If you prioritize safety and convenience above all else, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? It's easy to use, with a sturdy design, safety lock, and adjustable flame that offers excellent control for various tasks. The refillable feature is convenient, and it's compatible with all standard butane tanks, making refueling simple. The torch is lightweight but durable, and the consistent flame ensures precision and reliability. Number 4. Joe Chef Superior RX Torch. Unleash your inner chef with this versatile kitchen tool. It features an adjustable flame for precise cooking and comes with 2 butane canisters for immediate use. With temperatures up to 2,370 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for crème brûlée, caramelizing sugar, and more. Create restaurant-quality dishes at home. This culinary torch prioritizes safety. It includes multiple safety locks and an adjustable flame for controlled use, making it suitable for all skill levels. It's not just for cooking. Use it for DIY projects, from small plastic welding to jewelry making. The possibilities are endless. Looking for a thoughtful present? This torch comes in a deluxe gift box, ready for any occasion. It's sure to impress any culinary enthusiast. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 36-month warranty and a free recipe ebook to enhance your culinary journey. What we like? This one comes with 2 butane canisters, saving you a trip to the store. Multiple safety features ensure worry-free use, and the deluxe gift box makes it a perfect present. If you value convenience and want a ready-to-go gift, this is the one for you. What people say? The construction is solid, and was happy to find me as a replacement for my previous one that broke after half a year of usage. The flame is so much stronger than my previous one, allowing me to do a perfect sear so easily. It's so easy to fill and it is so easy to use. 1 knob and 1 button. This thing is lightweight and fits great in my hand. Great. It's easy to control the flame and adjust with ease. This is a good torch. Substantial feel to it and a larger base to support it. The lock is a great feature. Love that I can lock it and unlock it while holding it without fumbling. The knob on the back turns easily to adjust the flame. Number 3. Kitchen Cooking Torch. It's perfect for professional chefs and home bakers. Its consistent flame and reliable piezo ignition make lighting quick and easy. Remember not to overfill it to avoid excessive pressure. Easily adjust the flame with the gas flow regulator. A security lock prevents accidental use. It creates a flame up to 6 inches long, reaching 2,370 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,300 degrees Celsius. Refill it quickly with any butane canister that has a long universal refill tip. The built-in finger guard protects against burns. It's made with durable, TUV-CE certified aluminum and ABS plastic for comfortable use. It's not just for the kitchen. Use it for sous vide, flambé, searing, cocktails, lighting fires, cigars, and more. It's also great for crafts and art projects. Share the joy of cooking with this amazing tool. It comes in a deluxe box, ready for gifting to friends and family for weddings, housewarmings, or any special occasion. What we like. Built for professionals, it offers unmatched flame consistency and reliability. The adjustable flame and finger guard provide both precision and safety. If you demand top-tier performance and safety, this torch is for you. What people say. It's perfect for a variety of tasks like barbecue, baking, crème brûlée, and even crafts. The flame is adjustable, allowing for precise control depending on what you're using it for, and the safety lock is a great feature for peace of mind. It's also easy to refill, though butane gas isn't included, and it's compact enough to store away when not in use. Easy to use. Great baking tool. You can lock and unlock, you can turn the flame higher or lower. As far as the butane, it goes a long way. Number 2. EurKitchen Premium Culinary Torch. It's larger and more durable than other torches on the market, perfect for both home and professional use. Its high-quality mechanism ensures reliable ignition every time. This torch features an easy-to-read fuel gauge and a safety lock for added security. Refilling is simple with any standard butane gas canister. A built-in finger guard and large body design keep your hands safely away from the flame. It's made with high-quality, certified materials for your peace of mind. From crème brûlée to searing meat, and even starting campfires, it's incredibly versatile. It's also great for crafting and other hobbies. We're so confident in its quality that it comes with a lifetime warranty. It even makes a great gift for any occasion. What we like. Its large, sturdy body is easier to handle than others. The fuel gauge lets you monitor gas levels, and the lifetime warranty provides peace of mind. If you need a durable, easy-to-use torch with great support, this is an excellent option. What people say. Works well, stable when you set it down, good flame control. Flames on easily, has a good mechanism to stop the gas from flowing, hand guard, and nice blue flame that was adjustable with turning the knob. The platform is wide and has nice balance, and you can put the torch down without looking straight at it, which is good because I am usually looking at the ring. There is a dial on the back of the torch where you can go from a flame about 1 centimeter all the way to about a 3-inch flame. So it gets plenty hot, but you can always dial it back. I like the little red lock button, which closes with a satisfying smack when you turn it off. There is no guessing about whether it is turned off or not, you will know when you hear the lock engage. Number 1. inZaynity Dual Flame Torch. Introducing the inZaynity Dual Flame Torch. It features 2 adjustable flames for precision and power, perfect for various tasks from cooking to crafting. This innovative kitchen torch provides up to 30 minutes of continuous flame with its ignition lock. It's ideal for chefs, bartenders, and artists alike. Made with durable materials, it's built to withstand heavy use. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Available in 5 sophisticated colors and presented in a deluxe gift box, it makes a stunning present. Its sleek design looks great in any kitchen or workspace. Simplify your tasks with this powerful and versatile tool. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. From crème brûlée to soldering, this torch is perfect for culinary creations and intricate projects. Its dual flames offer unparalleled control and precision. What we like. Boasting 2 flames for increased versatility, this torch offers precise control with its ignition lock. Its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a powerful and stylish tool, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a really good torch, it's metal so it won't melt and break from heat. From its low setting to its powerful high setting, it works great, not to mention that it goes from soft flame to jet flame. This arrived in a well-secured packaging. It is easy to use, and yet they made sure to provide an instruction in the packaging. Aside from being fancy, it is very easy to hold. You can set the flame and it really provides a good heat. It can burn sugar fast and gives ribs some little burnt appearance. When it arrived, I was surprised at how solid and sturdy it felt. It's very easy to use, easy to refill, and I like that I can actually put this at a very low setting and it will produce a flame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.